Ano ni resulta sa whitey pamor, giyabo na sa akong anak ang cereal o gatas, banagbanaw. Resulta whitey pamor. Ay. Murag niabot na po sa isa. Tingog ko ini bataan eh. Now, nagbaha og gatas dire. I-vlog yun din ako. I-vlog yun din ako kay nagbaha og gatas. Oops, sagli lang kay ang may salarin ito ang may salarin. Hinila na niya yung ano, tapos hawa, no, step there. Ito ang may salarin. Oo, wa na, touch, dinulaan pa. Ayun. Wa na, nagbaha. No, don't eat that. Kaluoy sa inahan. Naresulta, whitey. Sao na lang ni, duha pa ka ano, oh. Ayun. Nagbaha og gatas. Nak, wa na. Pastilan, unsaon na. Unsaon na nimo? Yeah, he helped clean up the mess of the milk that he spilled.
No, it's not me.
Yeah, you're the one who spilled it. Sabi ba niya is that me? Paano ko ba ito? Hawak ko ito isa kasi may slide. Yeah, he's helping. He's helping cleaning now.
All the mess.
Did you tell them that you're cleaning?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm cleaning all the mess.
Who did the mess? Who did the mess?
A baby.
You're the one making. Oh, that's nose. Ew. No, don't do that. Paano ba yun?
I'm a cleanup helper.
Okay, that's good. You help. Yeah, help my shop. Aray ko, ako na want to slide.
Things away.
Oh yeah, we need the. Just give me the. Yeah, he helped me clean up. He tried. I'm gonna get that.
Clean them. I'm cleaning on it. I'm cleaning all the things. I'm cleaning all the things. I'm cleaning all the milk. There's a little milk. I just milk.
Okay, we need to pick up all the toys that you here so we can clean this one because this is a hey, ano ba yung ano ko? Brava, nagka gilay-gilay na. Ito yung totoong ano ng nanay. Totoong buhay ng nanay. Oh, bakit mo tinanggal yun? No, you're gonna be here. Can you pick up that and put in the garbage? Go put that in the garbage. Tingnan mo yung ano, oh. Yung milk sa tubig. Puting-puti yung tubig. Yeah, puting-puti yung tubig sa milk.
I want to help.
Okay. Yeah, I need to change the water because the water is still. Can you pick up all the toys that you have in the water? Yeah, inano ko lang.
The milk.
Yeah, you see that milk is still. So we need to. Okay. Tingnan mo yung milk. Kasi isang galon yung inano mo eh.
I want to help.
Pick up your toys. your toys. Help me to pick up your toys. Okay, I'm gonna get another water. So okay, you can map there. Okay, I'm gonna change the water. Go, go. You can do it. Pick up the garbage first. Pick up the garbage, put in the okay, then you can map. I think. Okay, tumutulong naman siya. Yung mga miss niya. Ano ko lang yung tubig ha kasi maano talaga. Tingnan mo yung tubig oh. Yung pinagbanlawan ko nung gatas, ito yun. Yep. Ito na yung part 2 na nag-help na si Jhylz na maglinis sa make a mess. Okay, yeah, you can help. Ito yung gatas.
Can I help you?
Okay, you can help me.
What's that water?
Yeah, we need to get because the water is still dirty. It's still milk. Good, they go back there.
Okay.
Okay, here, you want help? Kaya tanggalin natin to. You need to wash this. Yeah, we need to wash because the milk is there already. Okay, no, just go there, in that side. Be careful because you're gonna slide. No, you get that. You need to do this. We need to do this like this. Tumutulong daw siya. Hindi ko pa nalinis yung ano ko lang. Or baka ma-slide. You see that? Gusto daw niyan tumulong. Yeah, you need to be careful. You need to, when you put this one, look, this one. Yeah. Okay. So I can off this. Go. So I can off this.
No.
Go. Get it. Ano ba yun? Tanggalin ko lang yung ano. Tanggalin ko lang. Yeah, because it's wet. The milk. Nandito yung milk eh. Yeah, because the milk is here. We need to wash this. Okay, you said you wanna clean up. Okay, Jhylz is helping me. Okay. How do we say? Okay, he said, bye bye.
Hi.
I'm cleaning up.
I'm cleaning up.
And I'm helping Mama to clean up the mess. Yeah, mana. Bye-bye na daw. Yeah, washing daw. Ganito yung totoong buhay. Ang kalat nila hindi pa ano. Tsaka yung totoong kalat talaga. Sige, Jhylz, ito lang yung inano nila yung ano. Tumulong naman siya. Bye-bye. Jhylz, come here. Say bye-bye. What you wanna tell them? Please like and subscribe. If like nyo naman as subscribe yung videos namin.
Thank you watching on my video.
Come here, show them. Do you want to see you? To see that?
Thank you watching on my videos.
Go. What is it?
Thank you watching on my videos.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Si moi. Bye-bye na.
Thank you. Hi.
Bye.